friends, welcome to my channel Varanasi Aviary. I hope you all have subscribed my channel. If not, please request you to subscribe my channel. So today, as you can see the thumbnail, it's about the funny Budgies. I have earlier also given the video of this particular Budgies, how he came to my world, how he is so much in touch with me, a paralyzed Budgie. Now I'm telling you a story. He is so possessive, man. He is so possessive. You can see over here. I was just playing a video of a Budgies from other YouTube channel because I keep on learning from them, because each and everywhere you can learn what is the good, what is the bad, what is the pro, what is the cons. So I keep on watching the Budgies channel or any type of bird channel. So when I was watching this particular channel, he suddenly came from behind and started slapping and jumping over my laptop, and he was so aggressive after seeing another Budgies coming to his comfort zone and getting attention. So he was totally aggressive and was taking out my keys from my keyboard, even though he was searching behind the screen that let me find this Budgies, get a hand on him, I'm gonna kick him out of this house. So he was very playful, even though it was an aggressive act, but I was enjoying it. I kept on moving him from away from my screen, but it nevertheless he was not having any type of reaction over that. You can watch it over here. Right? I hope you like this particular video of the funny Budgies and this aggressive Budgies. If you have not subscribed, again request you to subscribe my channel. Bye. Thank you.